तातविगलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले गलेवलम्ब्य लम्बिताम्बुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकाम्.
Guys, this is NJ. So we will now have reached the last part of our discussion on Mount of Mercury. So a quick recap on what we have studied so far. Mounts. What are mounts? Mounts can be found at the base of the finger. These puffed cushy section of the at the bottom of the fingers are known as the mounts. They hold very strong significance in palmistry because all our hand, our lines and our fingers, they derive energy from the mounts only. Mounts, if we have to divide these three conscious, the almighty, the divine, the superconscious, that can be seen as in the hand in the form of the mounts. The subconscious, your thinking, your life path can be seen from these three major lines, and those trivial lines, crisscrossing lines tell about your daily fights, daily struggle, daily travails and your conscious behavior. So coming to this point, what this Mount of Mercury represents. The Mount of Mercury represents your communication ability, your ability to speak, your ability to sing, your sense of humor, your memory, your intelligence, all that is being represented by the Mount of Mercury, because Moon is your mind, but Mercury is your intelligence, your memory, all that is seen from the Mount of Mercury. It also tells about your business ability, your efficiency in business, your sexuality, your nervous system, your mental state, all that is being seen from this Mount of Mercury. So we have discussed all of that what will happen if this mount is well developed, whether this mount can be found little bit displaced from its regular position, or what will be the effect in the life of a person when you will find different signs on this Mount of Mercury. So all of that we have studied. So now we have reached the last part of our every particular mount series. So now we will discuss the connection, Indian connection, the Vedic connection or Vedic explanation on this Mount of Mercury. So to begin with, first thing which you need to understand is the association of Mercury with numerology. So the number 5 is assigned to the Mercury planet. That's one thing. Second thing, the color, the green color is the representation of the Mount of Mercury, or Mercury is associated with color green. Then comes the gemstone. So emerald is used if someone is going through affliction of Mercury, or in someone's hand the mounts are afflicted with negative signs, so wearing the gemstone emerald can provide to be very soothing effects and nullify all the affliction. Then comes another part, the god or deity which is associated with the planet Mercury, that is goddess Durga. Some people even associate Lord Ganesha with planet Mercury, but whatever I am sharing with you guys is what I have found true in my research and as well as what is written in the scriptures. So goddess Durga is associated with the planet Mercury. Then the nakshatras, the stars, the constellation, the nakshatras which are associated with planet Mercury are Ashlesha, Jyeshtha and Revati. Then comes the, like the way in the council of ministers of the solar system or of the planets, like the way every planet has been assigned a designation. Sun has been given the position and designation of king, Moon has been given the designation of queen, Mars has been given the designation of soldier. Same way Mercury has got the designation of prince. So the designation is prince. Then comes the part where what is the gender assigned to it. So the gender assigned to the planet Mercury is neutral. So that is the only reason whenever we look at the cases of or do the consultation from the perspective of homosexuality, lesbianism, so planet Mercury along with Ketu and Saturn is given paramount importance and paramount significance. So gender is neutral. Then comes the caste. So the caste assigned to planet Mercury is Vaishya, or we can also call it trader. In Hindi it is called this, but otherwise it can be understood as trader. because Mercury represents our business acumen only. Then comes, we have discussed this gender, this. Now comes the part, the Bij mantra. So if someone is going through the affliction of planet Mercury, so the mantra which this person can recite is Om Brahm Breem Brom Sah Buddhaya Namah. So Om Brahm Breem Brom Sah Buddhaya Namah. Then, okay, we have discussed the numerology association, the color, the gemstone, DT association, the designation, the gender, and the caste, the Bij mantra. Now comes the part that what are the kind of donations which one can think of giving if he wants to strengthen the position of Mercury in the form of good mount on his hand. So you can just hear it out. So the first thing is any kind of green flowers, because green is the color of the planet Mercury. So donating green flowers, green fruits, camphor, religious textbook, because Mercury also represent all those things, can just improve the condition of Mercury on your hand and in your the significations attached with Mercury in your life. So green flowers, green fruits, camphor, green pulses, religious textbook can be opted for the donation. Now comes the part, what are the diseases, let's say, which Mercury can inflict someone. So the first disease is, like the way I have been telling you about, that Mercury represents your communication. So I'm so sorry, this bee was just scaring the hell out of me. So the diseases which one can remain vulnerable to, the first means to be childlessness, because Mercury represents your sexuality, so it keeps your health on the radar, your sexuality on the radar. So someone can, with an afflicted amount of Mercury, can remain vulnerable to childlessness, problem related to tonsils, throat problem, as well as Mercury also represents your skin. So in problem related to skin, eczema, scabies, and problem related to intestines. So all these are the problems which an afflicted Mercury can make someone vulnerable to. Then comes the part, the body parts which Mercury represents. So the body part which it represents is skin, which I have just said, your hands, your shoulder, your neck, your tongue. All these body parts are associated with planet Mercury. Then comes another thing, the professions which are being governed by Mercury. So Mercury represents your people in the communication industry, your mathematicians, your traders, your public speaking, I said, your traders, your accountants, people engaged in import and export kind of businesses. So all these business and related business, because in today's day and age there are like so many variances, so many varieties. Even the online business come also into this category only, because you know what I have been telling you guys, that has been written centuries back in the ancient scriptures. Now as we are evolving, so even we have to make amendments and we have to derive the conclusion going by the current pace of growth into consideration. So all that is being represented by the planet Mercury, all the professions which I have just said. I have also told you guys the kind of donations which you need to do if you want to strengthen the position of planet Mercury in your life, and the body part which it represents. And so this is all what I wanted to share on the Mercury, the mount of Mercury, so that if you guys want to progress and secure and strengthen all the significations associated with the planet Mercury in your life, so these are the things which you need to implement in your life, you need to implement in your lifestyle, so that you can remain secure. And so that is all what I wanted to say on this. I hope you guys found this video informational. For further more updates and notification, please subscribe my channel. Thanks.